So to draw the boundaries, I will get the line tool and the polyline geometry method, and I will draw my first line straight up the page. Either hold shift or make sure it is snapped to the orange construction line. Press the A key to type in the first bearing, which is 132 space 46 space 5 minus. And the reason it is minus is, as we discussed before, when measuring bearings, positive bearings are measured in the anti-clockwise direction and negative bearings are measured in the clockwise direction. Okay. After you enter in the bearing, press the R key to open up the distance data field and press in the distance in millimeters. So that's 20.095 and then enter. Okay. And what will happen is the first line will be drawn with the correct bearing and the correct length. Okay, so obviously this survey is not scaled proportionally, but at least you can see and be assured that the angle is correct. Okay. Then to do the next edge, which is this one here, then put the cursor straight up the page again, and then put A, type in the next bearing, which is 221 space 0 minus, and then type the R key for the length of the boundary, which is 28,920, and then enter. Okay. And then again for the Catherine Street side boundary, the cursor straight up the page, and the A for angle, and 276 space 16 space 52 minus, and then the R key to type the distance, which is 5742, enter. Okay, and then again straight up the page, the A key for 308 space 19 space 41 minus, and then the R key for 15,530, and then enter. Okay. Now there is a big temptation when you come to the last boundary is to just close the box. Okay, but it is important not to do that because this closure of the box may not be in fact at a bearing of 41 degrees, 15 minutes and 10 seconds. And by typing in what the surveyor has specified, if the box does not close, then you know that there's something wrong with the survey. Okay. So if you then have the cursor go up the page and then the angle at 41 space 15 space 10 minus, and then the R key for 33,535 and enter. Okay. And if you do notice, the box does effectively close. And now you have the site boundary drawn as a line.